First you're going to want to start with this speedy filtered piano. Layer that with whatever the hell this is. Now we're in 176 BPM, so this has got to be chilled to balance the track's pacing. Or not. Of course, where else would the clap be? We are recreating every beat from 2019 after all. Spins 808, obviously. Maybe add a bit of distortion and make that thing pump. Then do that DaBaby 808 thing, except less exciting. Layer it with a kick and then turn a couple knobs. Open another omnisphere and use it for literally just a sine wave that's slightly detuned. Copy the first beat a few times, trying to get that YouTube video as buffering and you're considering switching to data sort of vibe. Add a bit of tape stop and here's what it should sound like.